good guys? This is Azim Ali and I am back with another video. I hope you are all having an amazing day, and in today's video we are going to talk about, can you get as big as Chris Bumstead or any other professional bodybuilder with PEDs or without PEDs? So let's discuss. So let's talk about diet and training, the most basic of all, but still plays a huge role. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if your diet is immaculate, if your diet is on point, you are going to add as much muscle as you can. The other factor here is if your diet and the training is on point. So if you are training hard enough, if you are optimizing your training in a manner that gets you the most muscle gains, that gives you the most bang for your buck, then probably you are going to be on the pathway to actually building that much muscle. But once again guys, one thing that you need to remember is that you need to actually have the genetics to actually get that big. Not everyone has the genetics. So first of all, one thing that you need to keep in mind is your diet and training needs to be immaculate in order to get that big. So let's talk genetics here for a second. Now guys, genetics plays a massive role in how big you are going to get. So let's consider yourself as the natural guy who gets really big, who is really big and who has a lot of muscle and is lean at the same time. So if you are that kind of a guy, but once again what happens here is guys, if you have those genetics, only then can you get as big as those bodybuilders. So if you are someone who's natural and who's already looking like he's on point to becoming a bodybuilder, because once again, not everyone is going to get as big as a bodybuilder, or not everyone is going to get as big as Chris Bumstead, because a lot of things comes into play here as well. Now guys, one of the things that you need to keep in mind is without the usage of PEDs, that is your performance enhancing drugs, that is going to be your steroids, your SARMs. Without the use of those, you will never get as big as a professional bodybuilder. But still, if in your natural levels you are a big guy, you are a muscular guy who's actually very big, then you are probably on the pathway to becoming a bodybuilder. Before moving on to the next point, let me give you an example here first. So let's take Big Ramy as an example. Even when he was natural, or even when he might have been natural, he was already bigger than most of the guys in the gym, and he was already beating the unnaturals, the people who were actually taking steroids, the people who were actually taking SARMs. He was already beating them naturally. Let's take Chris Bumstead as an example here. He was already doing better than the guys who were on steroids, who were unnatural while he was still natural. He was actually bigger, he was more muscular, he had a better symmetry, he had a much better muscular shape to his whole body. And that is the thing. Now, if you are that kind of a person, then you are in the category of a genetic outlier. What genetic outlier means actually here is you have the genetics to actually become a bodybuilder. So let's look at Chris Bumstead or Big Ramy. They are literally better naturally than most of the guys who have hopped on the Sawzul or sauce, who have hopped on the steroids. So you need to keep that in mind. They are already better naturally than most of the guys. They are actually blowing all of the other guys out of the park. So talking about the next point, that is going to be, are you a genetic hyper responder? What I actually mean by that is, how well do you respond to steroids, PEDs, SARMs? How well do you respond to it? So let's take an example. Someone who's natural, who's really good looking, who has a great amount of muscle mass and everything, he might not perform as well as on PEDs. So that is a factor as well. Maybe you guys just thought ki, if I actually get on PEDs, I am going to get that big. But that's not actually a fact. Maybe if you are a natural and maybe you are good looking naturally, you have a good muscle mass naturally, but when you actually hop on the steroids, you might not actually actually get as big. So that also plays a factor in this as well, guys. So let's consider an example here. Now let's take someone who's doing low doses of PEDs. That can be your testosterone and your basic drugs that you hop on. So someone, let's take an example as Chris Bumstead. Chris Bumstead actually does very low doses of PEDs. He does not hop on high doses of PEDs because his body can't actually take that much amount of PEDs in his bodies, because he has an autoimmune problem, he has a liver functioning problem, he has kidney problems, because of which he actually can't hop onto higher amounts of steroids. So once again, you also need to keep this thing in mind as well, that when you are actually hopping on steroids, can you actually take all of those steroids? Can your body actually metabolize all of those steroids? Maybe you can jump on high doses, but it's not always the fact that your body can metabolize all of those steroids. So are you a genetic hyper-responder? If you actually take high doses of steroids, are you actually going to get as big as Chris Bumstead or as big as Big Ramy? That is another one of things that you guys need to keep in mind. So all of these factors that I just told you right here actually come into play when you are on the path to actually getting as big as a bodybuilder. So if you guys think that if you just hop onto the sauce, if you just hop onto the steroids, you are going to get as big as a bodybuilder, that's not true at all. Not everyone has the capability to get that big. Not everyone has the capability to have that much muscle mass, and that is something you guys need to keep in mind. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to end my video right here. If you guys actually enjoyed this video, show some love by liking this video. Comment down in the comment section below if you have any further queries or if you have any further video recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Until next time, have an amazing day, guys. See you.